Hey everyone, my name is Ben Kane. I am going to be doing my placement at the Center for Independence in Albany. It's the Capital District Center for Independence. Generally, it works with people with disabilities, both physical and some intellectual disabilities, and it's kind of encouraging them to um, and helping them to find the resources to do everything they need to do in life. Um, I really just I expect to learn a lot and get some new experiences. I've primarily only worked with people with intellectual disabilities thus far, so it's going to be kind of cool to get an opportunity to learn kind of how working with different populations is. I think that's probably what I'm really expecting to get out of it. I'm really just, like I said, excited to learn all these different things, and like I want to learn more about how to do different benefit programs like SSI, SNAP benefits, learning kind of more about the process of getting all that set up and going through the process and doing everything that needs to be done for that. My biggest concern is probably just if a situation arises and maybe I don't know how to handle it. But that's also kind of the point of this. It's to learn things, so I'm not too concerned about that, I guess. Um, my plan for managing my excitement and concerns is to just kind of take it day by day, treat everything as a learning experience, and hopefully learn a lot of new things. Thank you guys for watching.